Elvis Presley, the king of rock and roll. A legendary performer, a global icon. But behind the sequins and stage lights, Elvis's finances were, surprisingly risky. From wild contracts to accounting mishaps, his empire was teetering on chaos. Today, we're uncovering the shocking truth about Elvis Presley's money, contracts, and the risks that could have sunk even the king. Elvis was not just a performer, he was a business. But in the 1950s and 60s, contracts could make or break an artist. His early RCA deal gave him a modest percentage of record sales, leaving him earning far less than his fame suggested. Meanwhile, movie contracts in Hollywood often included clauses that limited his creative control, and sometimes even his earnings. On top of that, many of his managers negotiated deals that were favorable to them more than him. Elvis's famous manager, Colonel Tom Parker, reportedly took as much as 50% of his earnings, a staggering figure that would make any accountant cringe. Even at the height of his fame, Elvis faced enormous financial risks. Touring constantly meant enormous expenses such as transportation, lodging, security, and huge show productions. And while Elvis generated millions, the king often spent just as fast as he earned. Elvis owned multiple properties, private jets, and even a collection of Cadillacs, but these assets were also liabilities. The IRS reportedly once investigated his finances due to discrepancies in reporting income and expenses. Imagine being Elvis's accountant. Millions of dollars flowing in and out, contracts with tricky clauses, royalties coming from records, movies, and merchandise. A small mistake, and the king could have faced financial disaster. Elvis's finances show us a timeless lesson. Even the biggest stars can struggle with money. High revenue doesn't guarantee financial security, and without careful accounting, contracts, and oversight, wealth can slip through your fingers. If you love diving into the hidden stories of legends like Elvis, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on another video. You won't believe the next story we will uncover. Thanks for watching Facts, Footnotes, and Folklore.